Hormonal Health and Balance for Men and Women, a Path to Well-Being. Today, we're delving into a topic that impacts every facet of our lives, our hormones. These tiny chemical messengers are vital, influencing everything from our energy levels and mood to metabolism and reproductive health. But when hormones fall out of balance, the consequences can disrupt our well-being in ways both subtle and profound. The good news is that we're not powerless. Through lifestyle changes, nutrition, and stress management, we can guide our hormones back into harmony. So let's embark on this journey to understand hormonal health. What goes wrong, how to recognize it, and what we can do to thrive. Let's begin by understanding what happens when hormones become unbalanced. Hormonal imbalances occur when there's too much or too little of a hormone circulating in the bloodstream. This delicate system impacts men and women differently, but the symptoms are often easy to recognize. Women frequently experience fluctuations in estrogen, progesterone, or thyroid hormones. These imbalances might manifest as irregular menstrual cycles, persistent fatigue or mood swings, unexplained weight changes, skin issues such as acne or dryness. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, or perimenopause are common conditions linked to these imbalances. Testosterone is the key hormone often affected in men. A decline in testosterone levels can lead to decreased libido and energy, loss of muscle mass and an increase in body fat, emotional symptoms like irritability or even depression. Other hormones, such as cortisol and insulin, can also play a role for both men and women, leading to issues like disrupted sleep patterns, unexplained weight gain, or ongoing fatigue. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward reclaiming your hormonal health. Now that we understand what's happening, let's look at how nutrition can support our hormonal health. Food is one of the most powerful tools at our disposal. Healthy fats. Hormones like estrogen and testosterone are built from fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish can provide the raw materials your body needs. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, and cauliflower help your liver process and detoxify excess hormones, especially estrogen. Proteins, lean meats, eggs, and legumes are essential for repairing tissues and producing key hormones. Fiber-rich foods. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables support gut health, which is intricately tied to hormone regulation. Processed foods and refined sugars can cause insulin spikes, which disrupt other hormone systems. Limit caffeine and alcohol, as these can strain the adrenal glands and disrupt sleep. Finally, don't forget hydration. Proper water intake supports your metabolism and helps eliminate excess hormones. A well-nourished body is a balanced body. Next, let's talk about lifestyle changes. Small adjustments can have a big impact on hormonal balance. Quality sleep is one of the most critical aspects of hormone health. During deep sleep, your body regulates cortisol and produces growth hormone, which is essential for repair and renewal. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and establish a consistent bedtime routine. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of hormonal health. Moderate exercise can help balance insulin levels, reduce cortisol, and boost testosterone and endorphins. Incorporate a mix of strength training, cardio, and activities like yoga which combines movement with stress relief. Everyday products like plastic containers, certain cosmetics, and chemical-laden cleaning products can introduce harmful substances into your system. Whenever possible, choose natural, chemical-free alternatives. These small lifestyle changes create an environment where your body can naturally recalibrate its hormones. Stress is one of the most significant disruptors of hormonal balance. When stress becomes chronic, your body produces an excess of cortisol. This imbalance can suppress thyroid function, lower testosterone, and disrupt estrogen-progesterone levels. Managing stress effectively is essential. Meditation. Taking just 10 minutes a day to focus on your breath can reduce cortisol levels and promote calm. Deep breathing exercises. Practicing slow, diaphragmatic breathing can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, helping your body recover from stress. A simple walk outdoors or time in a park can lower stress hormones and boost serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Learning to say no to overcommitment and carving out time for self-care can protect your mental and emotional health, which are directly tied to hormonal balance. Remember, stress management isn't just about reducing tension. It's about nurturing your overall well-being. Hormonal health is about balance, finding the right rhythm that allows your body to function optimally. Whether it's understanding the warning signs of imbalances, fueling your body with nutritious foods, incorporating healthy habits, or managing stress, the path to hormonal health is within your reach. Small, intentional steps can lead to profound changes in how you feel and function every day. Your hormones are a symphony, and with the right choices you can fine-tune them to create a life full of vitality, energy, and peace. Thank you for taking the time to explore this critical topic with me today. Together, let's embrace balance and thrive. If you found today's discussion helpful, share this knowledge with others. The journey to hormonal health is one we can all benefit from, and one worth sharing. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I am here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video.